Next function is concat function. Concat function is used to concat the two or more string, or concat, or you can say join the one variable to another variable, one string to another string. Suppose here example is S is computer and P is string holding application. We have to concat these two strings. So what we have to write here? Data type should be string. String n is equals to S dot, S means computer, dot, then we write concat function, concat, and within function we passing P variable which is storing the application, S concat P, S dot concat P. So answer should be computer means M value is computer. Here in application we taking here space, so it will take space here, application, like that. If we are not taking here space, so it will join the string without space. Okay, concat function is used to concat the string without the space. If you are storing the space within the string, here I am storing a space before the A, so it will print here space. Clear? Concat function. Next is the equals function. This function is used to compare two strings together to check whether they are identical or not, and it returns value in Boolean type. It returns value in Boolean type. So here string S and string P holding the computer and computer. Equals function, it's stored the Boolean value. So here we take as a Boolean variable, Boolean suppose X is equals to S dot equals within parentheses passing P variable. So according to this, X result is true because both strings are identical, both strings are same. So here result is true. Suppose if we storing here, not computer, suppose we storing here application, computer application. If we are storing in P variable application, so this result will be false because computer and application both are not identical. Or suppose here we store the computer but in capital letter, same string but in capital letter, then what happened? Here suppose I am writing computer but in capital letter. So here result is true or false? Here result is false. Why false? You saying here is computer same string, here is computer same string, but equals function treats corresponding uppercase and lowercase characters differently. Okay, so here is your character in lowercase, but here is character in uppercase. So these two strings are not identical. Clear? Here is one more function, equals ignore case. It's clear by this name. Ignore case means it ignores the cases. Okay, then compare the string. So here according to this, if we write here equals ignore case function, so they are identical. Equals ignore case function and P. So this, according to this function, both strings are identical, means X value is true when we write equals ignore case function, because it's ignore the cases. It ignores the cases. Is capital letter, is small letter, it's ignore. But in equals case, equals function, it treats with capital letter and small letter separately. So in equals case these strings are not identical, but in equals ignore case these strings are identical, means result is true, but in equal case result is false. Clear? These two functions, equals and equals ignore case. Next function is substring function. This function is used to extract a part of a string. Okay, extract a part of a string. Suppose here we storing a string as a computer. Now a part of a string, so it will stores which data type? String data type. Na? Result in string data type. Suppose string m is equals to S, we have to extract the part of some part of that string, that is computer. Suppose we write here S dot using substring function. Substring function. Here we write the index value where you want to extract the string. Okay. So substring 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a string index position. Here we write 3. 3 means is a P. 3 index value is P. So it will extract the, within computer it will extract from P to last. P-U-T-E-R. Okay, pewter. It will extract the given index position to the last index position. Clear? Suppose if we write, we can give two index position in this variable, in this function. Sorry, a string. Suppose n is equals to s dot substring. Here we give the value. Suppose 3, 6. 3 index to 6 index. Okay. So 3 index value is P. Then 4 index U. 5th index T. So here we write 3, 6. So it will exclude the given index. Here I am given 6. So it will exclude the 6, means it will print 3 to 5. Clear? It returns a part of a string from 3rd position to 6th position by excluding the character. 6th position character. Okay? Which is available at 6th position character. Suppose here 6th position character is available E. So it will exclude the E. It will print and value equals to the P-U-T. Clear that? If we write here 2 index value, so it will start with the first index value and stop before the given the index value. Here we are given 6, so it will exclude the 6th position character. It will print 3 to 5 index characters. Clear? So 3 to 5 index is P-U-T. Clear? Or if we write here only 1 index, so it will start from that index position to the last. It's a substring function. It is used to extract the part of the string. Clear? Next function is replace function. This function is used to replace a character by another character or to replace a string by another string. At all its occurrence in the given string. Okay, suppose here I am writing here string S as an application. We have to, suppose we have to replace A by asterisk sign. A by asterisk sign. So what we have to write here? It stores in string type, no? String M is equals to S dot replace function replace. We have to replace A with asterisk sign. So firstly you write the which character you want to replace. Here we want to replace A. Then comma, from which is asterisk sign, like that. Within single quote is a character, na? So what will happen? What will be the result of M? M result is asterisk PLIC, then asterisk TION. Clear? So in place of A, it will replace the asterisk sign. Clear? Or you can replace the whole string also. Suppose written is the green bottle is in green bag. So you have to write here S dot replace green within double quotes, comma, replace with within double quotes red or blue, whatever you want to replace.